Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Rustom G Panorama by Rustom G located at Pali Hill, Bandra West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel where you can see the construction is in full swing. Also, you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this video, we will be discussing what points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now let's talk about the project overview. This project is spread across the land parcel of 0.5 acre that will have one premium tower of ground plus 14 story having 4 BHK residences and villa concept on the first floor. And now talking about the amenities, this project has all basic amenities like swimming pool, gym, yoga lawn and a sitting deck. Now speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located at Nargis Dutt Road near to Sanjay Dutt Bungalow, Pali Hill, Bandra West, from where Linking Road is at a distance of 1 kilometer. Western Express Highway is at a distance of 2.5 kilometers, BKC is at a distance of 3 kilometers and you have school, colleges, hospital all within the distance of 2 kilometers from the project. And now speaking of configurations and carpet area, as said, this project has 4 BHK and villa concept on first floor. 4 BHK is in the carpet area of 2537 square feet and villa concept on the first floor is in the carpet area of 6200 square feet plus an exclusive garden. And now talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Rustom G Panorama by Rustom G located in Pali Hill Road, Bandra West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.